So I'm here with Kevin. One of our favorite things is when unique vehicles come in and we get to hear story about why they chose the rig that they chose. So we want to just give you a little look at Kevin's rig and also a little backstory on why he chose it.
Yeah, my name's Kevin. I rigged out my 2015 Q7 TDI Audi. Just had the car a few months. I just came out of a Touareg that I had a good time with. And I've been researching carriers for at least 3 years and been following these guys, and their stuff just gets better and better. Great accessories. And I really wanted to do something that was a little bit different. I don't see a lot of Q7s lifted. I've got the Eurowise lift on this and some Black Rhino wheels and some nice Toyos. And the Swingaway was like the next big piece that I wanted. I want to be able to reclaim a lot of that interior storage and carry a full-size spare. I'm not into super technical off-road driving, but I do like to do a lot of hiking and backpacking and rough camping. And so I'm really looking forward to it. I just get geeked out thinking about the camp table and being able to use that just wherever I'm at, whether it's the beach or the mountains. So I'm really excited to put some miles on it.